Thank you Malaysian customers for purchasing our EA960R3 outdoor LED screen. This LED advertising screen adopts a 960mm 960mm cabinet design. The cabinet is made of magnesium alloy, which has extremely high sturdiness and durability, and can work stably and long-term in various complex environments. The design of EA960R3 not only takes durability into consideration, but also ensures lightness and efficiency, which is easy to transport and install. This LED display can be widely used in indoor and outdoor places, suitable for fixed installation and rental markets. Whether it is commercial advertising, exhibition display, or large-scale event site, EA960R3 can provide excellent display effects, with high brightness and high definition, ensuring that the content is clearly visible and attracts the audience's attention.